Hi everyone, this is Sujata from JG Language Academy, and today we are going to talk about self speaking task 3, describe image. Normally student faces lot of issues in regard to how we should approach it and what all things we should add to make our speaking task 3 more scoreable. So guys, whenever you are seeking for some good scores, you just need to add more vocabularies to it. Firstly. Secondly, you need to explain the whole picture as if someone is watching that picture in front of them. Thirdly, you just need to go in a very natural way. Don't be like in rush to explain the things, or don't follow any particular fixed way of speaking it. So guys, let's look on to the question. Here is the question displayed up, like describe something that are happening in the picture below as the person with whom you're speaking cannot see the picture, and you have 30 seconds to prepare. The first tip I would like to give you here is, guys, just look on the picture, try to create ideas that what all thing you're gonna speak. Second, try to innovate yourself towards the great vocabularies and what all you're getting in your mind. But don't force yourself to use some particular ones. The third thing I would advise is be natural, that I explained in the start also. Natural in the sense that you just go on speaking one after another, create a coherence, and with along that, switch from one idea or one explanation of this picture to another in a very smooth way. All right. Now, moving on forward, guys, I'm going to show you some vocabularies with along the sample answer so that you can be more clear about your confusion regarding what all we should do to score really great in this task. All right, guys, here you go. All right, this is a picture of vibrant classroom. Children are expressing their creativity through various art activities. The room is filled with bright colors and imaginative artwork. At the center table, a group of students sits beside each other with joy, happily engaged in drawing, coloring, and crafting. One boy is sketching a colorful image on his paper while other is cutting paper. To the left, a student wearing an apron is painting. His work looks very imaginative and detailed. The atmosphere is truly joyful. The students standing in the back are smiling and chatting. The teacher standing near the board looks pleased and encouraging the students for the next round of painting. The whole scene reflects a perfect blend of creativity and joy in a learning environment, and the atmosphere seems very vibrant. All right. So here you have a sample answer, guys. The good scoring can be done by using various good vocabularies, speaking naturally, and everything I've explained in the before slides. Now, guys, the very important thing is, should we speak till the recording goes on? Yes. Don't stop before the recording stops. Let it be. The recording gets over, it's fine, but you should not be stopping it before it. For classes, contact us at the below given number, and do like and subscribe our channel, everyone.